If you suspect that your Apple ID has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to take immediate action to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your Apple ID. Step 1. Go to the Apple ID account page. Visit the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account settings and recover access. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the account page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address. If you don't remember your Apple ID, you can click on the option to look it up using your name and email address. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Change your password. Once you regain access, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. This will help secure your account against further unauthorized access. After completing these steps, ensure that you enable two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity and keep your recovery information up to date.